This is how to improve Wi-Fi connection on your PC. First, we're going to go down here to our search and look up run. Once you have the run app opened, we're going to type in ncpa.cpl. And this tab of network connection is going to open up. You're going to see Bluetooth, Ethernet, and Wi-Fi. If you have a Wi-Fi connected, go ahead and right-click this. Then go to Properties. Here we're going to head on to Configure right here. Go to the tab next to General that says Advanced. And under Property, this list of things right here, we're going to locate Fat Channel Intolerant. We're going to make sure this is disabled right here. We're going to scroll a bit to Preferred Band and change this to 5 gigahertz. Then we're going to go right below that to Roaming Aggressiveness. Now for this one, it honestly depends where your modem is located and how close it is to your PC. If it's super close to it, right next to it, go ahead and press on 1. But if it's in the other room and it could be a ways away, go ahead and go from medium to medium high or highest. It is very important to keep in mind the lower you have this is the higher the internet speed will be. Now we're going to scroll back up to these 2 channel widths right here. And we're going to make sure both of these are on auto. And after you've done all that, go ahead and press on OK. It might disconnect you from the Wi-Fi for 1 second. That's okay. It should reconnect. Also, restart your computer once you've done all the settings. That is how to improve your Wi-Fi connection on PC.